Hello everyone. So I'm just making this video to explain to you the basic problems which have come up once when you guys submitted those 30 sentences for the new American English DTR. And the most common problem which we have faced until now is the the reading style, the way you guys are reading. That needs to be fixed. So I've accessed the platform, so I have access to your recording, so I can actually listen to them. So as you can see over here, these are all the recordings which we have done or other people have done, and so they've sent us a QC report, which basically explains like all the problems which are there. So like for example. Um, like 00016, 00017, like all of them have, a couple of issues which they have mentioned over here, and I'll show you guys what those issues are so you can record more properly. Okay, so let's first go to 00016. So 00016, I'll play.
Exercise target. Open exercise target.
So you can see first of all, 00016 started reading really fast. So the
Exercise
first
target.
So the first word, like the sentence, has been cut out. You cannot hear the word open at all.
Open exercise target. Open exercise target. Open exercise target.
Okay, so now another problem over here is that the way the person is reading the words, uh, like first you have to read, the first time you read it, you will read it at a normal speed, and then it's going to be fast, like pretty fast, and then again normal speed, then fast, then again normal speed, then fast. So a total of 6 times. But over here, you cannot really tell the difference between the tone is changing a little bit, but overall the speed is not changing at all. Same way we can go to another
Indoor
one.
cycling. Start indoor cycling. Start indoor cycling. Start indoor cycling.
Okay, so and another problem which I can see over here is basically the accent. Like for example, start indoor cycling, not cycling. And there was another like over here as well.
Exercise target. Open exercise target.
So target, not target. That would be, not the right accent or the right pronunciation for T. So because this is target, not target. So you have to be careful with your pronunciation as well, because this one sentence only has a couple of words and you have to repeat it 6 times. So why not check the pronunciation online as well? If you don't know the proper pronunciation for the word, you can check it online. And for example, let me tell you how you should read this sentence. Start indoor cycling. 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 So you can see over here, the first time I read the word, it was pretty like at a normal speed, and then I went like really fast. So this way you can easily tell the difference. Otherwise, when the QC people they're listening to your recording, they cannot really tell like if you read it fast or slow or it's the same speed as before.
Open voice memo. Open voice memo.
So you can see over here, it's the same. It's the same speed for both words. And open. So you're going to read it like this. Open voice memo. 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 Okay. A couple of people, what they'll do is that they'll read the first word really slow, like open voice memo. Open voice memo. This is also wrong. You should not read it, extra slow or anything in the first place. Okay. Then another one. Over here, I'll open this one as well. This one says it's correct.
All songs, all songs, all songs, all songs, all songs, all songs.
Okay. Now this one is pretty good, but there's not enough gap. There's not enough gap between the words. So you need to make sure, like for example, you can see over here, this one finishes at 2 seconds, and then she starts reading again at
Remind me
you know
later. Remind me
so she starts reading it again at like between around at 3.25. So that's only 1.25 second delay. We need at least a 3 second delay.
remind me later. 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 Remind
See, so now this one is much better, much better. Okay, now this one they've marked that there's background noise. So let's see what kind of background noise there is.
open countdown. Open countdown. Open countdown.
You can hear like there
Open
was some
countdown.
noise in the back.
Open countdown. Open countdown.
Okay, now another problem which I've seen is like it's not open, it's open. So guys, you have to be very careful with your pronunciation as well. Okay, so yeah, so these are the basic problems which are there. Most like most people who are doing the recording.
Switch workout. Switch workout. Switch workout. Switch workout.
So see now she gave a very good gap in the first one, but then there was a very short gap over here. Before, like she's giving between like 5 and 9, almost like a 4 second gap, which is perfect. But then suddenly she went from 4 second to just 1.5 second gap. So, and again, you can see over here as well, it went from like over here, there's a 4.5 second gap, but then suddenly there's only, a 1 second gap. So this is not okay. So this is something which you guys have to focus on. So just make sure that every time you say the word, then just count in your head, like uh, for example, like this: switch workout, 1, 2, 3. 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 Switch workout. So yeah, I mean you don't have. Please don't count. Don't record this 1, 2, 3. This should be going on in your head. So I think this should be it to give you guys a better idea. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys will finish the sample recording soon.